Hi, welcome to ENG 3000 Technical Writing. Technical writing begins always with explaining or analyzing technical information. In that sense, technical writing used to be a kind of a limited genre, a limited kind of writing. But these days, we have technical information all around us all the time. And so we are awash in complicated, hard to understand things that we need to make sense of in our ever-changing technical and modern world. There are many textbooks and technical writing courses that I do not love. Great big textbooks with hundreds and hundreds of pages that cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Instead, in this class, we're going to use a brand new 2021 textbook, A Concise Guide to Technical Communication. I think you're going to like this textbook very much. It cuts away all the old, outdated material that's in most of the more expensive and longer textbooks. This is a writing intensive and a technology intensive course. So we're going to write every week, and we're going to study ideas about writing in the course of thinking about technical writing specifically. As to the technology side, we are going to make websites together, and we are going to work in Google Drive and in Google Classroom. In the first week, I'm going to give you a code that's going to put you into the classroom. But the first thing to know is always jump out of Stream and jump into classwork. Once you're here, you're going to see the whole course organized, and every single assignment, everything that you need other than the textbook to complete the whole course is right here. So we're going to begin in week 1 with writing process. In week 2, we're going to think about writing identities and listening to understand. In week 3, we're going to think about writing genres and begin to study website design. In week 4, we're going to study revision. In week 5, we're going to look at argument or persuasion and some specific work genres. Once you're done with revision, it's necessary to start editing. And so in week 6, we're going to look at clarity, brevity, and editing. Finally, when you're done drafting, revising, and editing, it's time to publish. And so in week 7, we're going to look at going public. Even though this is an asynchronous online class, it's also a writing class. And we are going to get to know each other a little bit. This is not going to be a course where you're just going to send in 1 or 2 assignments a week and do a reading and be finished. We're going to talk to each other. We're going to collaborate with each other. And by the end of 7 weeks, I think we're going to know each other a little bit. There are no tests in this class. Every week, you're going to do some writing. I'm going to give you back comments on that writing. Sometimes your peers will give you comments on the writing. And through the course of 7 weeks, hopefully you're going to build a depth of knowledge about writing process, persuasion, and technical writing that you can carry forward with you into other courses and into the workplace. I'm also going to offer everybody in this class a worry-free grading contract. If you choose the contract in week 1, I will not look at any of the quality of your writing. I won't worry about the commas. I won't worry about the sentences. I won't worry about the paragraphs. I will only look to see whether you have done the work that I have asked you to do. And if you do the work that I ask you to do and you turn it on time, you will get full credit. And at the end of the course, you'll get an A-, or if you are helpful to your classmates, you'll get an A. Or if you prefer, I can use a traditional grading method for you, where there's a rubric and we look at lots of different features of your writing every time you turn it in. That'll be up to you. All in, I hope this is going to be a useful and a fun class to take with very low stress and a great conversation between you and me and your classmates. So again, welcome to Technical Writing.